Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make unique shaped clay cutters. Here's what you will need: a circle cutters and a pliers. First, sketch the shapes you want to make. For these DIY cutters, I will make an arc, wave, triangle, oval, and also some micro cutters in teardrop and lemon shapes. Let's begin with the arc shape. Just use your hand to bend it, then use the pliers for a more defined curve or corner. This DIY cutter is great for beginners who want to save money, because this set of circle cutters only cost me around $2. Or maybe some of you already have this set of circle cutters, but the last two sides is too big for the earrings. You can turn them into a different shape to be useful. We're done with the first cutter. Next is the wave or wavy cutter. It took me around 3 to 5 minutes per cutter to finish, depending on the shape. Another great thing about this is sometimes you cannot find the shape or size of the cutter that you want in store. With this technique, you can now create your unique shape cutters. I got this mini circle cutter in 40 pieces per set. I will put a link in the description box so you can purchase on that shop, or you can check it out to give you an idea of what to look for. For the micro cutters, I make 3 different sizes of teardrops which can be used for making flower petals and leaves. The last one is a lemon shape. This is great for a summer themed earring. Let us now try our new cutters. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching!